Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browser data on this device. So firstly, you have to open your browser, which you normally use, which everybody normally uses. Then tap here, go to the history section, then tap clear browsing data. Then select the time range for which you want to delete history. It could be all time, last hour, last day, last week, last month. Then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then just tap clear data, and after that history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.